ready for this? You ready for this? You ready for this?
Welcome to this continuing series from Morgan Rees.
Welcome to the Game Developers Conference in San Francisco. The Game Developers Conference is the world's largest and longest-running professionals-only game industry event. The GDC attracts over 19,000 attendees and is the primary forum for programmers, artists, producers, game designers, audio professionals, and game decision makers and others involved in the development of interactive games gathered to exchange ideas and shape the future of the industry. This conference features over 400 lectures, panels, tutorials, and roundtable discussions. News crews from all over the world covered this event. Apple even unveiled its new iPad. You can't have a great gaming experience without the technology horsepower behind it. Let's check into AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA. Another underpinning technology is Unity. Intuitive remote interface is imperative in this industry. Let's look at some new technologies and how they're approaching the subject. It seems like everything is using motion technology nowadays, even the soap dispenser, water, and paper towels. Now let's look at the financial solutions that are available for online gaming. I'm on the show floor of the Game Developers Conference, and nothing happens until you're paid. Here's some gift cards. This year was the largest number of international government and trade organizations exhibiting at the GDC and the GDC Play. They included the Netherlands, Belgium Trade Commission, Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, Canada, Korea, the Scottish Development, International Swedish Trade Council, Trade Developers Association of Australia, Foreign Affairs and International Trade Canada. During the show, there was even a coding contest. The GDC Play allows exhibitors to display their games to key distributors, publishers, press, and investors. When most of the industry is firing, the game industry is hiring. The History of 3D Games exhibit showcased the history of 3D graphics in games, from Vectrex to N64 to PCs and beyond. The exhibit included original games and hardware spanning titles from Web Warp for the Vectrex vector graphic-based console and Star Riders for the Atari 5200, spanning history that includes Virtual Racing for Saturn, Alone in the Dark for 3DO, and even Red Alarm for Nintendo's Virtual Boy. Thank you for joining me. That ends our short story on the Game Developers Conference in San Francisco. See you next time.
Ready for this? You ready for this?
If you'd like to learn more about these important concepts or any other issues that we've covered on today's show, log on to www.morganrees.com. That's morganrees.com. Thanks for listening.